Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat, your login temporarily disabled due to repeated failed attempt or other unusual activity. So if you're facing this problem, then basically if you try to log in into Snapchat multiple times within like a short period of time, what Snapchat will think is Snapchat will think somebody is trying to hack into your account. In that case, they will temporarily lock your login in Snapchat. So in that case, there are a couple of things you can do in order to fix this problem. Before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, what you can do is delete your Snapchat app and reinstall it again. This should simply fix the problem. So just hold on your Snapchat app, click on remove app, click on delete app. Click on delete again to confirm that you want to delete your Snapchat will be deleted. Now just go to your app store or play store, depends on which phone you're using, and search for Snapchat and then just download Snapchat again and try to log in into your account. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then the second option should definitely fix it. In that case, you need to download a VPN and connect to another country. If you download a VPN and connect to another country and try to log in into your Snapchat account doing that, your problem should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed even after deleting Snapchat and using a VPN, then the only thing you can do is just wait. So this temporary disable thing only works for 24 hours. So if you wait for 24 hours, then you should be able to re-log in into your account. These are the method on how you guys can fix Snapchat login disabled problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.